The Dow did a bullish harami today. This signal is more compelling because not only did the Dow do a signal, but the NASDAQ had a very strong reversal signal. The NASDAQ, after an inverted hammer type signal on yesterday, did a gap up. And not only did it gap up, it gapped up above the previous day's trading, gapped up above the 50, and closed up near the T-line. This makes a very compelling observation that if they open this positive, trading above the T-line tomorrow, that we're definitely back to the uptrend. But this is a very strong signal. Anytime you see an inverted hammer with a positive open, even though you don't see the inverted hammer as often as most of the other candlestick reversal signals, when it does trade positive after an inverted hammer, the probabilities of being in an uptrend are extremely strong. If the market is going to start a new uptrend, this makes charts like LIVE very compelling. Also an inverted hammer type signal right here on the T-line. After a reversal signal, this told us that the selling had stopped. So now we have a J-hook pattern occurring in a price that has moved from $3 to $27. That means this next price move could get you up into the $40 to $44 area. This one can be bought on positive trading, which if the markets tomorrow don't show any massive selling or any great selling strength, this could be a very strong price move. And the uptrend also confirms charts like Scotty, SCTY, that's had a big rounding bottom. And notice how every time it came back to the T-line, it did a bullish signal. Bullish harami gap up. Here's a Morningstar signal bouncing off the 20, gap up. Now we've had a doji gap up. This tells us our uptrend still remains in progress, making this pattern confirmed that we could possibly move all the way up into about the $100 range if this market stays strong. What the visual analysis provides for candlestick investors is a very common sense application of what investor sentiment usually does in patterns. And so we've been able to stay in the right positions at the right time and go short in positions at the right time. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.